All right, guys, Bruce Springsteen today, Jungle Land. Let's take a listen to it. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. This is going to be a big work here. Normally a hard request, a set of song lesson series on a song takes, I don't know, a page, usually maybe just over a page. This is 7 pages I had to write on to finish this one. The performance of it is 9.5 minutes long. In fact, if you want to listen to what you'll be learning and visualize yourself playing it, just do a YouTube search. Look for Bruce Springsteen Jungle Land cover. And there's a guy, playing the whole arrangement, and it's really awesome. It's long, and it's very impressive. If you love Bruce and are a big Bruce Springsteen fan and love this song, you got to learn this. So this is just the tip of the iceberg here, these first 3 lines. We'll get as much done as we can here in this part 1. Anyway, all the lessons will be on webpianoteacher.com, okay? So if you're a member of webpianoteacher.com, you'll have access to all of these lessons for this. So let's get going. Left hand C, G, right hand E, G, C, E. So play that. And I'm going to assume you kind of know your way around the piano a little bit since you're tackling this this arrangement. So I'm going to C again in the left hand. We're going to hit an E minor 7, D, G, B, D in the right. 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on E, B. So it's bum, ba, ba, da, 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 da. So then it's G, G, G in the right. Low G, high G 2 times. Back to the thumb G. And connect that to an E in the left hand. So we have 1, da, da. And then we're going to go bum, bum, bum. So C, F, A, C in the right, left hand D, A, it's a D minor 7. Next chord's also a D minor 7, and then we have A minor 7, C, E, G in the right, left hand A, E, A, so bum, bum, bum. A, B, C, A there. Let's do the first 2 measures. Okay, now let's look at the next part. We have... So there we have F, A, D in the right, 2, 3, 5, to C on the thumb, and then G octave, and come lower, da 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 da, A, C, F, E, D, C, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. And I will mention if these lessons are going a little too fast to you, a little bit too difficult or way too difficult, I do have beginner lessons on my website, 79 of them if you're a complete beginner or if you need a refresher course, or just need to get used to my method of teaching with letters on the whiteboard using the chord approach. But anyway, let's keep going here. Left hand is low D, then a higher D on the thumb, and then up to the middle of the piano on A and C, and at the end we have D, E, F, G. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. Do it again. Then we have da, which is going to be up high, A, C, A on the right, and then A, C, A, then A, C, and then B, D, F, B. Left hand is low G, then the really low G on the 5th finger, then up here to D, B, and just roll that, like that, E to B, so. Then a high G octave, G, 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 like that. So it's, let's do the whole first line, and go. Now, the next line we have na, 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 na. I have a gnat in here that's driving me crazy. Rid of him. So G, C, E, G, C on the right, A octave, G octave, C, G, C, and then D, G, D, and the D on the thumb. So bum, 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 bum. Left hand, A, E, really low, and then up in the middle of the piano, E, G, B, C. Okay, so nice, and then we have na, 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 na. It's going to be low D in the left hand, up to A. Left hand, we're going to have turn your thumb sideways for E and F, then A, C, E for the rest of it, D, C, down to G, C, E, G. So, bum, 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 and then ta, 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 G, C, B, A, G in the right. So we have, let's tie that together. So, sorry. Then we have, so C, F, A, D, it's a bit of a stretch. If you can't quite reach it, you can kind of roll it. Left hand low D, then the right hand goes up to G, and then back to the middle of the piano, A, C, F, E, D, C, da, 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 da. Left hand has that low D octave, then the same D on the thumb, and then A, C up in the middle of the piano, and then D, E, F, F sharp, G, da, 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 da. So, make sure you don't pedal through that. Make it really muddy because those will really blur if you just hold the pedal down. Don't do it too fast either, because sometimes when things seem a little difficult, we'll actually rush and go faster because we're nervous. So don't rush yourself. So here it's bum. Now we have bum, 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 bum. So it's C, F, A, D again, left hand on a G, then C in the right, left hand G, and then B, D, F, B, and then left hand G, right hand G, and the thumb G. Ba, ba, ba. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so let's do this second line all the way to that double bar there we just went to. And go. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, something easy, huh? G, A, C to F on the thumb 4 times as it says. Left hand on F octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we continue the F chord, but we're going to kind of ascend a little because we're getting ready for this, right? So F, F, and then CA will be with 2, 5 to A on the thumb. FC to C on the thumb. AF with 2 and 5 to F on the thumb. So 1 and 2 and 3, kind of a retardando, a little bit of a slowdown. Left hand FC, roll it. F, A, C. So we have. Okay. So starting over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Then we have our. Take this whole thing as one group. Look at the right hand. E, G, E with 1, 2, 5. G, C, E, G. Now DB with 1 and 4. D with the 5th finger. Na, 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 na. C, F, A, C, F. Then B, C, D. Da, da, da. 2, 3, 4, I guess. Then we do it again. Okay, so kind of, 1 measure, 2 measures, and then kind of a copy of the same thing. The left hand is up high, C, G, C, and then C, E, G, B, and then C, F, A, C, and then G, A, B fast with the right hand. G, A, B, then it's C, E, G, C, and then E, G, B, C, F, A, C. Slowly, hands together. Okay, let's try it super slow. So there's your part one, and again, that's just the tip of the iceberg. As I said, much more music. You know, it took not a full 7 pages, but it took 7 pages for me to write on to get this thing done, and it's going to be a lot of work, but it'll be really rewarding. You know, almost a 10-minute performance. So this would be a great monumental work for you if you are a Bruce Springsteen fan and want to, you know, try this and learn it and enjoy it. So there's your part one, guys. Had a lot of fun doing it, and talk to you later.